the new Guess That Shit challenge.
Seth's gonna be celebrations. You gotta be specific on what you're guessing. If you're not specific, you will not win.
And if you do guess it, we'll send you a random pack that we pick out. Send to you.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to
Card Hunter's Crew.
Openings on the hunt.
Weird Opening, but whatever Wednesday. We got yugioh, King's Court. We got Vanguard. We got My Hero, and we got Magic the Gathering, Dungeons and Dragons. Dungeons and Dragons sets, adventures in the Forgotten Realms with a 15-card draft booster pack, age 13 plus.
What are you going on about?
What?
What are you going on about?
I was reading the entire. I had to
That's
get.
a little
Okay,
excessive.
here we go. Dragon Dancer Monica.
More.
Yeah, it is.
Turtle.
Cloud Dragon Sheldon. Stealth
That's
Beast.
pretty
Hagakure, I guess. Ring Girl Clara.
Ooh.
Sarah Kaiser.
I like how the background looks in there.
Pretty cute. Pretty cute. The wagon.
The triple there.
They're triple.
That makes sense. Sitting on a video games.
Yeah, I don't either.
You know, but it has 3 art.
Bull Strength. Armory Veteran. Scion of Stygia. Gloomstalker. Zombie Ogre. Something Ranger. You find the villain's lair. Leather armor. Devour intellect. You come to a river. Lurking roper. Keen-eared sentry. Burning hands. Meteor swarm. A forest. The tomb of annihilation. I know, it's weird.
Normally enter a holographic.
The Atropal. Yeah, it's weird,
As
right?
long as you can get to one when you leave soon.
Alright. King Court next.
Roughly about 11.
Okay, let's get the videos.
We got Arcana Knight Joker. Arcana Extra Joker. ZW Leo Arms. Zolga the Prophet. Unexpected Dag Day. The Wicked Eraser.
That's different.
Court of Cards.
Pretty cool.
Don't kill me. Oh my god.
Excuse me, coming through. This is my hero.
I ate backwards. I went like this and went.
Shing.
Get out of
Who
there.
grabs a blade?
I did.
Plug in. Smash.
Plug in smash.
Mediator.
Plug in smash mediator.
Create. Capturing net.
Plug in smash
Shut up.
mediator. and create
Specialty.
net.
Specialist of sound.
Also
Expert.
creates a special.
Blurry.
Will you shut up?
Zero gravity capture.
There's a whole ass sentence in that. dude.
Glamorous.
Oh my god. It's glamorous.
All Might.
That'd be a sick hollow. That is a sick hollow.
Ida family. Heroic lineage. It's actually
Ah, no one's got cards
it's
down.
a rare.
Yo, was that a peep?
Out of my way.
Yo, it's the messed up peep. It's a peep. It's your. Sorry.
Skeleton Swordsman. Cannon Fire Dragon Cannon Gear. Cheetah Girl Tiara. Gatling Claw Dragon. And Treasured Black Panther.
You
Pretty
do
sick
it.
card.
It is.
Let me see. Ooh. You're not. Now you do something. I just like stabbed my thumb with my thumb. Shortcut Seeker.
Let's look at football.
Gloomstalker. Grim Bounty.
Let's look at football.
Sylvan Shepherd.
Yes.
Boots of Speed. Contract Other Plane.
One of the robots
Silver
can't play
Raven.
football.
Direwolf Prowler. You see a guard approach. Spare Dagger. I don't know what's happening. Lurking Roper.
Don't ask.
Warlock class. Bag of Holding. I had one of those in my D&D.
Bag of holding.
Instrument of the Bards. Island. And a wolf. What is happening?
I'm gonna make love to you.
The patch switch off? Like,
I'm gonna lay it down by the fire.
Kingsport.
oh! What's that?
Alright.
Almost took himself out.
Get off me.
I'm trying to serenade you.
He's serenading something.
Queen's Knight.
We should do one of these Crimson Invasions next week.
I'm trying to wait for those to get really expensive.
Zolga the Prophet. Cloud Castle.
Cloud Castle.
King's Knight.
Ooh.
Magnet and Dutch.
Righty then.
Alright. I watched that movie today on the drive.
What?
Ventura.
Did it?
Yeah, it was fun.
It's fun.
It was fun.
Which one? Two of them.
Alrighty then.
Oh.
Quit.
Merciless rush. Precise control.
That's a sparkly.
Wow. That's, yeah.
It's a bright
That
card.
distracted me completely.
That's a dark card.
Dark Shadow Talon. Creepy realization.
Good thing though.
Encouraging training partner. Late riser. Decaying grip.
Freaking.
Oh! Rising Scarlet. And that is another rare.
Pretty nice.
Nice and needy. Alright, be sure to check us out on Instagram and check out our Patreon. Instagram, we put out videos there we don't do anywhere else. Patreon, if we get 5 patrons, we will start doing a monthly giveaway.
Also check us out on Facebook and Twitter.
Facebook and Twitter.
If you'd like to support our channel anyway, you can do so by hitting us up on Instagram or asking about our email. And if you do, it'll go on this glorious wall right
Sorry.
here.
I was gonna
Everybody
do-
was
couldn't do my
distracted
job.
there.
Also remember, we do have a poll going on in the community section about what we're opening on Sunday.
Sunday.
So be sure to go check out
Sunday,
and vote
Sunday,
for what
Sunday.
you want to see. Make sure you're liking the video for us.
Make sure you're leaving in comments down below.
And remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this one.
Goodbye.